So for today's video, I'll just be showing you how to go about the MetaTrader 5 app and all of that. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's go straight into it. So this tab here where I'm in is the codes. Okay, this is where you have all the currency pairs aligned. You have the USD, CHF, you have GBP, USD. Like some, when you first log in, I'm going to have some of these currency pairs here by default. But in case if you want to find a particular one, you just come to the search bar at the top, and then you search, let's say Euro. Okay, so Euro GBP. Then you just tap on it here. Sorry, you tap on the plus icon right here. Okay, and then it will be added to your quotes here. I think we have it here below. Yes, or in case you want to trade any other commodities, we have the forex market where you have every currency pair that you want to trade. You have the metals where you have gold and all these other things. We have indices, we have commodities, energies, what have you. Okay, so it depends on what you trade or what you want to trade. Yeah, you can also remove a particular pair or currency depending on your own preference. You just slide and then you delete. Okay, so that's it for the quotes, and then we move on to the next section, to the chart section. Now this is where you do all your technical analysis and all, you know all of that. This is where you read the charts and determine the movement of the market and all of that. Okay, so it's in this area that most of the work is put in. When you come to the top left corner where you have the M5, it talks about the time zone, or it displays the various time zones. So the M1 talks about the 1 minute time frame. The M5 is the 5 minutes time frame, and then 15 minutes. Then we have the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we have up to the day, the week, and the monthly time frame. All right, so this is where you can change your time frame. Let me change it back to the, and then at this side where you find the shapes, something looking like shapes here. Yes, it's called the object area. This is where you can draw your various trend lines, okay, for your analysis and all of that. Yes, this is where you have that. You have more objects here when you tap on the add objects. So as you can see, we have the trend line, vertical lines, and all of that, the Gann line, the Fibonacci, and all of those things. They are all here. Okay, so this is where you can find the tools, the objects to work with. If you, in case you want to delete, say I want to delete this trend line, you just press and hold on it, and then you can easily delete. When you tap on the F function here, this is for adding extra windows. Okay, so basically, yeah, you have to the top right corner here you can easily place a trade. Right off the bat, you can place a trade here. We have the buy and then the sell. You can also use the one looking like the clock. Okay, this one here is also for setting your stop loss and your take profits. So you have it down below, but I won't be doing any of that for now. So basically, this is where you do all your analysis. Then the next section, which is the trade area, is where you see all your current trades that are running. As you can see, I've placed a few trades. I just did it randomly. Okay, so most of them are running in a loss, some too are running in profit. When you see it's looking blue here, it goes to show that it's profit, and then when you see the red, it is the loss. And over at this side, you can find your balance, equity, margin, and all of that. So this is where you do your calculations. Okay, if you, in case you want to, maybe someone sends you signal and then you want to place a trade, you come to the plus at the top here, and then you see this side, this arrow over here, you just tap on it. We have instant execution. You just press here and then you go for the various market prices. You set your stop loss and take profit and all of that. We have the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and so on. So depending on the kind of signal that has been sent to you, I'll be making a video on how to place forex signals, okay, or how to input signals into your MetaTrader 5. So stay tuned. Be sure to follow and subscribe to my channel. Now this next part is called the history. This where obviously shows you all the trades that you've placed in the past. As you can see, I have one here. Okay, that's GBP CHF. So the orders, the deals, just basically tells you what you traded on the account before or in time past. All right, then the last section, which is the settings. This is where you select your account. Now when you create the MetaTrader 5, you automatically, or the app gives you a demo account. Okay, so if I tap on the top here, you can see I have demo account. I have my actual trading account which I use and all of that, but for the purpose of the video I'm using a demo account. So here we have, if you want to add a new account, this is where you do. Okay, we also have the mailbox to check for any notifications and all of that. You have the news, you have the chat and message community. When you tap on this, you'll be going to, it will take you to Safari, okay, where you can get involved with other people using MetaTrader 5 online. So basically that is what the settings. You also come to the chat tab. You can change it from candlesticks to the line chart to the bar chart depending on your own preference. You can make a few color adjustments over here too, but I prefer it to be on the candlestick. Yeah guys, so that's basically it, how to go about, or what the MetaTrader 5 app is all about. Okay, this is how it looks like. There's more to learn. For beginners, there's a lot to learn, especially in this area, the chat area. More videos will be coming on. I'll be making more videos. Okay, so remember to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel so that you can understand and follow on. Okay, so that will be all for today.